Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel or my TikTok. Last time y'all saw me, I was going crazy over losing 3 locks. So I will be getting my fresh retie next week. So it's been probably about right at 2 months, or it'll be right at 2 months when I go and get my retie. So hopefully my loctician will be able to crochet the 3 locks in. I still have them in this little container, all 3 of them. I just got out the shower and I washed my hair. I'm still doing once a week right now, washing my hair. Again, I'm gonna wait until I speak with my loctician and we can discuss, like, is there anything that I need to change? I've been locked 4 years and have never lost any locks before, so this was something that was different. You kind of think, because I started doing weekly braid outs, that may have contributed to it. I'm kind of hoping that it has, but we shall see. So today I'm just moisturizing my locks. I'm not doing my braid out. But I am gonna moisturize them. Most likely I'm gonna sit under the hooded dryer, which I probably won't show y'all, but I'll probably sit under the hooded dryer because we have an ice storm coming to Georgia, well, coming to the south. So I'm just gonna show you what I'm doing to moisturize my locks, or how I typically will moisturize my locks, whether I do a braid out or not. I try to separate it in 4 quadrants, or 4 equal quadrants. I just kind of pin it out the way, and this is more so for like my winter routine. I want to see an updated wash day, what I'm doing right now. Please let me know. I don't mind doing a video. I'm so used to doing long form content over on my YouTube channel, where I have documented my entire microlocs journey from install day until now, 4 years later. And I have an entire playlist because people ask me a lot of questions, and sometimes it's the same question. So I'm like, hey guys, you can go on there and see my entire journey and everything that's ever happened with my locks. Today I am using the As I Am Bond Repair. I poured the rest of it in the bottle, so this is all I have left. I always add it to a continuous spray bottle because I don't really care for the bottle that it comes in, but I love the product. That is what I will be using regarding my leave-in. And today I'm using the BlackBerry Curl Cream as my moisturizing cream leave-in, because I'm a person with locks that likes to put deep conditioners on their locks. I love to put conditioner, leave-in conditioners when your locks are mature. I waited till my locks were mature, but because I did bleach with my hair a couple of years ago, my hair needs extra. So yeah, so usually I just wet it up. And I change leave-in conditioners often. The only thing that I really stay consistent with is my shampoo and my liquid leave-in. But I'm always trying a new like cream leave-in because I hadn't really found one that I'm just super in love with. I'm loving this one, and I've had it for a while, and a little bit goes a long way. But again, if you don't like to put creams in your locks, or your locks are not mature, then you might want to find something else. You might just want to use a regular liquid leave-in like I used to. And I just literally just put it through my locks, and I make sure that I focus on the ends. So some of my ends have broken off over the past year as well, due to where the color was, because I didn't color my entire locks. I just colored it like, so this is like one. You see how short it is compared to my locks? Yeah, that's one where one of the ends where it was colored, because I bleached it like from this point down, and the color, yeah, it broke off. Because this leave-in, you can tell, has an oil to it, like the way when you feel it, I don't go ahead and put another oil on top of it because I feel like this is enough. And that is really it. I don't do too much to my locks outside of, like I said, I was braiding it. But outside of that, I don't really do too much to my locks. And this is how we got it, as long as it has gotten in 4 years.
I said 5 in the morning, I wake up to 5 for my eyes. Yeah, in my mind is a warning. Praise to the one you're lying. I've been wondering all day, try to be fine, but I can't be. The noise in my mind wouldn't leave me. Try to get by, but I'm burning. I'm behind, my mind it runs. All these thoughts
And that's really it. Now I know you can probably see some of this cream residue. Again, that doesn't bother me, but honestly, when I get under the dryer, it typically is gone. When my hair just dries, it typically is gone. but it doesn't bother me. One, because I'm like, locks gonna get stuff in it, and secondly, I dyed my hair. I hadn't dyed it in probably like over 6 months, but I dyed my hair like a black, like a natural black color. So I know I'm gonna dye regardless, so it doesn't really bother me. I care more about my hair feeling moisturized. But yeah, that is it, you guys. You see, keeping the locks, trying to keep them as moisturized as I can. And that's all I do for my winter routine. Just really 2 products, sometimes 3 if I add an additional oil. But like I said, this leave-in doesn't need one. I'm about to go sit under the dryer. If you want to see any more or any kind of microlocs content, please let me know. Again, I have a full playlist of my entire microloc journey, from styles to maintenance during year 1, year 2, year 3, my shampoo routines, wash routines, favorite products I don't mess with, products that I just love. All of that is there. But I'm trying to integrate more content onto TikTok. So yeah, let me know what you want to see over here, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.